Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about safe light illumination of the dark room. So let's begin. Dental X-rays are developed in the dark room. The term dark room suggests that it must be completely dark and exclude all visible lights. That is, the room should be light tight and light proof. This can be achieved by excluding all external lights into the room, use of a light tight door for the room or a door with a lock so that accidental exposure to the light does not occur, no use of fluorescent light in the room, and by the use of white light and safe light. The white light would be required during cleaning of the tanks and preparation of the solutions, and safe light will be required while unwrapping, developing and fixing of the films. So, what is the safe light? As you can see in the definition written, safe light is an illumination which is low in intensity but has a long wavelength range, that is, it falls into the orange-red zone, and it will not rapidly affect an open film packet, but it will allow one to see enough of the work area to be able to work. Now, the arrangement of the safe light filters should be such that 3 zones of illumination will be produced within the dark room. These 3 zones will be the dimmest zone, the medium zone and the bright zone. In the dimmest zone, the films are unwrapped. In the medium zone, the films are developed and fixed, and in the bright zone, the films are washed and placed inside the dryer. These 3 zones of illumination can be produced by placing one safe light above the work area where the films will be unwrapped and clipped to the hanger, and the second safe light should be placed on the wall behind the processing tanks. Now, one point has to be noted that though safe lights are safe for the films, but even the excessive exposure of the film to safe lights will result in film fog. Thus, to prevent film fogging from excessive exposure to the safe light, 3 factors must be considered. These 3 factors are the type of filter used, the intensity of illumination, and the time of exposure of the films to safe light. So now, let's discuss the first factor, which is the type of filter used. Safe lights would be safe when made up of amber or red colored filters. This is because X-rays have highest sensitivity to light in the blue-green region of the electromagnetic spectrum and least sensitivity in the yellow-red region of the spectrum. Here are few examples of safe light filters. These are the Moralite filter, Wratton series 6B filters and Red GBX2 filters. Now, talking about the second factor, which is the intensity of illumination. To minimize fogging effect from prolonged exposure to safe lights, the wattage of the bulb should be between 7.5 to 15 watts, and the distance of the safe light above the work area should always be 4 feet. The third factor is the time of exposure of the film to safe lights. More the film will be exposed to the safe lights, more will be the chances of film fogging. Hence, film handling under safe light should be limited to about 5 minutes. So, up till now we have discussed what all factors are required to keep the dark room light tight and light proof, what is safe light, what are the 3 zones of illumination, how to achieve these 3 zones, and what 3 factors have to be considered to prevent film fogging from excessive exposure to safe light. Now, one more important thing that we cannot skip while studying safe lights is the test to check for improper safe lighting of the dark room. These are the coin test, also known as the penny test, and the test to check for light leaks into the dark room. We have discussed these 2 tests in another video of ours, the link for which is given in the description box. So do watch that video also.
Thanks for watching.